We stretch time, we stretch life, we stretch time, we stretch life.
Seachange is located in Scarborough on the beachfront on a street called Prince Edward Parade. The block itself has some really unique attributes. The view up to the house from the beach, there's just lots of different angles and vistas of the project, which is how it turned out to such an amazing outcome.
I think my favourite area is actually this living room. The first piece that we actually purchased for this home was this sofa. We wanted something that was multi-directional, that could face all the elements of what this home could give. Facing forward where I'm now, we can see the ocean. If we wanted a conversation towards the kitchen, we could also face that way, the art or the garden. I've had my own design consultant for quite a while with DIYblinds. It's good because when you are quite busy running many different projects, it's great to have someone there knowing each and every project.
So the brief for this project was to keep the window furnishings really to enhance or to add to the other materials that were already used in the project. We wanted to really accentuate the space. The views were really important from all aspects, so we didn't want to block any of that. We just wanted to really frame a lot of the really beautiful views of the ocean and just to add to the space rather than to make them a real feature.
When you have lots of windows like this project at Seachange has, it was important to actually filter some of those harsh UV rays out of zones in which we want to also enjoy without having that sun constantly in your eyes. The softness that a sheer provides gives us that kind of wispy look within the space against the harsher elements of stone and concrete. So the elements of the sheer curtains in this house helps create that softness that you want within the build. The master is pretty grand. It faces the ocean, it faces the suspended pool, and also actually faces down into the living room where we are now. The master, we wanted to soften up with those curtains because obviously the light that shines through this house is amazing with all the windows.
In the bedrooms, we've done a combination of products, so you've got block-out curtains and sheer curtains, and we've also used some roller blinds, some block-out roller blinds to windows that were a bit higher up, but highlight windows that were sitting above beds. Motorization was really important, particularly in this living space because of the double height void curtains, just for ease of use and longevity of the product rather than sort of pulling something that's a lot of meters up in the air. The functionality of having those motorized were really important for the client. The same was also for the master bedroom, where you're going to be using those products every day, taking things up and down all the time, and there were multiple products throughout that room. So to have the functionality to just press one button and everything closes and everything opens was really great and a really nice little luxury to have.
Greya has worked with DIYblinds for a number of years now. We've had a really good relationship all the way from getting quotes from the initial conceptual stage all the way through to delivery. And over the years, the track record and the trust that we have between the businesses is why we continue to work with each other. The finished product that DIYblinds deliver is second to none. The projects really speak for themselves, but we couldn't be happier with the outcome of all of our projects.